National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a flash flood warning for northern Cherokee County in east central Oklahoma, southern Delaware County in northeastern Oklahoma, southern Mays County in northeastern Oklahoma, eastern Wagoner County in northeastern Oklahoma, until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Wagoner, Jay, Shoto, Locust Grove, Salina, Colcord, Kansas, Okla, Oaks, Rose, Leech, Peggs, Twin Oaks, Sportsman Acres Community, Murphy, Lost City, Lake Cochise State Park, Maisie. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern McIntosh County in southeastern Oklahoma, west central Sequoia County in east central Oklahoma, southeastern Muskogee County in east central Oklahoma, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Purim, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Warner, Gore, Webbers Falls, Braggs, Greenleaf State Park. This includes Interstate 40 in Oklahoma between mile markers 269 and 286. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern and east central Oklahoma.